What if I told you that you could create stunning artwork without ever picking up a paintbrush and sell it for real money online? AI-generated art is exploding, and people are cashing in by turning digital designs into passive income machines. From NFT marketplaces to Etsy digital print stores, the fusion of AI and art is creating a goldmine of opportunity. The best part? You don't need to be an artist, just someone smart enough to use the tools at your fingertips. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Money Strategies with Prince for more money-making tips like this, using AI and real strategies that work in 2025. The rise of AI-generated art. AI art has come a long way from novelty filters. Today, tools like MidJourney, DALL E3, and Leonardo AI can create gallery-worthy art with just a few words. Imagine typing futuristic city skyline at sunset in cyberpunk style and getting a high-resolution masterpiece in under a minute. That's the power of generative AI, and it's not just cool, it's valuable. Thousands of creators are now using AI art to sell posters, t-shirts, digital downloads, and even NFTs. What used to take hours of design work can now be automated, scaled, and sold over and over again. Step 1. Choose your niche wisely. The most successful AI art sellers don't just create random art, they serve a niche. Think pet portraits, space-themed landscapes, fantasy character art, minimalist home decor, or inspirational quote posters. These niches already have a market, and buyers are looking for unique digital products that fit their style. Ask yourself, who do I want to sell to? Moms decorating nurseries? Gamers looking for custom art? Boho-style homeowners? Once you know your audience, you can use AI to create targeted designs that speak directly to them. Step 2. Create stunning art using AI tools. Let's break down a few tools you can use. MidJourney, Discord-based, perfect for high-end, cinematic styles. DALL E3, via ChatGPT, great for simple prompts and faster generation. Leonardo AI, known for consistent quality and commercial licensing. Canva plus AI plugins for editable templates and design tweaks. Use prompts like abstract botanical prints for Scandinavian living room, or cute watercolor animals for nursery decor to generate themed designs. The more specific you are, the better your results. Bonus tip: use the same prompt multiple times to create collections of 3 to 5 similar prints. These bundle well on Etsy and attract more buyers. Step 3. Sell as digital products on Etsy. Etsy is a goldmine for AI-generated digital prints. Why? Because buyers are already looking for affordable, downloadable art they can print at home or frame on their walls. Here's what you need to do. 1. Create high-resolution images. 300 dpi is standard for printing. 2. Use Canva or Photoshop to format your art into printable sizes, like 8x10, 11x14, A4. 3. Set up an Etsy store with a catchy name and branded look. 4. List your product with titles like set of 3 modern abstract wall art prints, instant download. 5. Add SEO keywords like boho decor, digital poster, or nursery wall art in your tags and descriptions. Each sale can earn you $5 to $15, and once it's listed, it becomes passive income. No shipping, no inventory. Step 4. Sell as NFTs for higher profits. If you're looking for higher ticket sales, explore the NFT route. AI-generated art is thriving in the NFT space, especially on platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, Foundation, OBJKT for Tezos-based NFTs. To get started, 1. Choose a blockchain. Ethereum, Polygon, or Tezos are common. 2. Create a crypto wallet, like MetaMask. 3. Mint your AI artwork directly on a marketplace. 4. Add an engaging story behind the piece. The narrative boosts value. 5. Promote it on X, Twitter, Reddit, and Discord communities. NFT buyers often pay $50 to $500 plus for unique digital art, especially if the style is new, rare, or part of a themed collection. Some artists even make thousands by launching a limited one-of-one AI art drop. Step 5. Combine platforms for maximum profit. Here's a real strategy. Use AI to generate one art style and repurpose it across different platforms. Etsy, Sell as a digital print. Redbubble/Society6. Upload to sell as mugs, pillows, and apparel. NFT marketplaces. Sell limited versions as collectibles. Gumroad. Create a bundle pack of 20 digital posters and sell it as a digital product. Instagram plus Pinterest. Promote your designs to drive traffic and sales. One piece of art. 5 income streams. Step 6. Legal and ethical considerations. Always check the terms of the AI tool you're using. Most platforms like MidJourney and DALL allow commercial use, especially on paid plans. Avoid using copyrighted prompts like Disney characters or celebrity images unless you're creating parodies or using stock elements. Also, be transparent with your customers. Let them know the art is AI generated. Many buyers are actually more interested because it's a modern and futuristic style. Step 7. Automate and scale. Once you find what sells, you can scale fast. Use AI to generate 10 to 20 designs per day. Use Canva Bulk Create to add quotes or frames to art prints. Use tools like ChatGPT to help write Etsy titles and descriptions. Hire a virtual assistant on Fiverr to upload listings if needed. Run Etsy ads for your best sellers with a small daily budget. In just 1 month, many AI art sellers go from 0 to 100 plus sales using this approach. The beauty of digital products? You don't have to worry about shipping delays, damaged goods, or customer returns. Real success stories. Let's look at a few real-life examples. Jade from Austin started selling AI-generated pet portraits on Etsy. She made $1,400 in her first 30 days with just 10 designs. Max from Berlin created a collection of abstract NFT art using MidJourney and sold out a 50-piece collection in under a week. Anya from India bundled 100 AI wallpapers as a digital download pack on Gumroad. One viral Instagram post brought her 3,000 downloads in a weekend. These are ordinary people using free or cheap AI tools. No design background, no coding. Just smart strategies and consistency. Final thoughts. The future is digital and DIY. You don't need an art degree, a warehouse, or even a fancy website. All you need is a bit of creativity, AI tools like MidJourney or DALL-E, and access to platforms like Etsy or OpenSea. Whether you're looking for passive income or want to turn this into a full-time business, selling AI-generated art is one of the hottest opportunities in 2025. So, are you ready to create your first AI design and start earning from your creativity? If you found value in this guide, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next money-making strategy on Money Strategies with Prince. Have you tried creating or selling AI art yet? If not, what's stopping you? Let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone.